Woody is our absolute favorite Toy Story character. My son had a Woody birthday party for his 3rd birthday, and we collected almost all of these interactive figures during that time. But of course, Woody still is his favorite. He is just like he is in the movie. He has his little pull tag on the back.
Yeah, oh, okay, all right, okay, that is enough.
He says all kinds of cute phrases.
No, you can't go.
My son loves to repeat them, but he is just a perfect replica from the movie. He is so cute. I would definitely recommend purchasing some of the other characters. Like we have the Bullseye to go with him. Of course, we have Buzz and Jessie. We have the whole group, and they are interactive. So once you get one going, they'll kind of go back and forth with their interactive saying. So it's super cute to have them all in a room together. This is the Woody interactive toy.